Hello kids, how are you all? See, I'm here again. I miss you a lot. That is why I'm coming again and again to meet you all. I hope you all also feel the same, isn't it? See, Lopa ma'am is again here with two new strokes. One I have already taught you, and the second one is, you know which stroke? The name of the stroke is very interesting. You would like to know which stroke am I talking about? Yes, it is called hill cursive stroke. Which stroke? Hill cursive stroke. Can you imagine why this is called hill? Because it has got pattern like hills. Have you all seen hills? I'm sure you all must have seen hills whenever you have gone with your parents to Nainital or to any other hill station. Okay, let's not talk about any hill station. Today we are going to talk about only cursive. So, let's start the session. So, tell your mama to bring your pencil, eraser and come with me. See kids, as you can see, I have already mentioned this stroke is called hill cursive stroke. Why this is called hill? Because there are patterns just like hills you have seen in the hill stations. So I will tell you how to make these hills. And this stroke for cursive is called hill cursive stroke. So now let's start writing. Again, you have to just start from the middle of the line and you have to touch the hill, the arch, the upper arch will touch the upper line and the bottom arch will touch the third line. See, the arch of the upper line is coming back towards the lower line. Just like the pattern M. You know, just like the pattern M. So you have to go like this. Touch the top line and then come towards the third line again. Touch the top line and come towards the third line. So, in this manner, you will have to repeat this pattern again and again. One more time, touch the second line and come towards the third line. Like this. This is somewhat similar to pattern M. But it is not exactly M, but it is similar to pattern M. One more time I'm repeating for you kids. Like this. Should I go a little slow? Can you all see me? Yes, okay. See, keep practicing kids. The more you will practice, the more you will learn. Okay? So don't forget to practice cursive strokes, which I have taught you before also. Because if you will practice more, then you will try to, whenever you will write cursive, you will write nicely and neatly. So more practice will make you more fluent with your handwriting. So, very good. Keep practicing just like the way ma'am is making these hill strokes. Which strokes? Hill strokes. Wow, that's so good. You all are very fast learner and I'm sure you all are practicing with your mama or papa at home. Now, kids, let me tell you the letters which we can make with the help of this hill stroke. Which stroke? Hill cursive stroke. First letter is letter N. Second one is letter M, H and P. I am repeating it once again. N, M, H and P. So first of all, let me show you how to draw letter N. Start from the middle line and pull it towards the third line. Then again touch the top of the arch towards the second line. Bring it down and pull it up. Bring it down and pull it up. So that's how we made letter N. Okay. Now we will come to letter M. As I have already told you, this stroke is similar to letter M. So we will make this letter M with the help of heel stroke like this. I hope it is not difficult for you. Isn't it easy? Yes. And what I have told you already, keep practicing so that you will become more and more fluent and good with cursive. Now comes letter H. Now here you have to first make the loop stroke, which we have already learned before. So take your pencil and touch the top line, bring it back and make a nice hill. Stretch your pencil to the top, bring it down and make a nice hill. And that's how we have written H. Which letter is this? H. Now comes letter P. In a similar manner, touch the second line. Now bring it down towards the bottom line. Again, bring it up and pull it down. Touch the bottom line, go upwards and make a nice hill. See kids, that's how ma'am has made these letters, and I'm sure by practicing it every day, you would be also able to make it. So this is my suggestion, and you can say that this is your homework to practice these letters out of these cursive strokes every day. So keep practicing, keep learning. Bye.